create these 4 offer letters, and I'm just going to create this in a single second. Yes, in just 2 clicks, I'm just going to create all of these 4 offer letters. As you can see, I've entered the details of the candidate like the name, title, department, work location, joining date, employment type, annual salary, and the reporting manager. And automatically the offer letters are created and added right over here. And as you can see that this is the type of offer letters which are created automatically, and further my team can review this and send it towards all the candidates. So hello all, welcome back to Pabbly, and it's already 2026, and is your HR team still creating offer letters manually? Then it's time for an upgrade. You can create this automation for free, so come grab on your laptops and follow me till the end. You just have to open your workflow builder inside Pabbly Connect if you are an existing user like me. But if you are a new user, open a new tab and search for pabbly.com/connect in your browser and open the landing page of Pabbly Connect. In the top right corner, you're going to see the option of sign up for free. So click on this sign up for free and you can get a free trial of Pabbly Connect. Once you try Pabbly Connect and if you like it, you can move on further and purchase the subscription plan of Pabbly Connect. And for that, we have a special discount coupon code just for you, which is RITYT. This discount coupon code can get you the highest amount of discount on the subscription plan of Pabbly Connect. But first, I'll suggest you try Pabbly Connect, and then if you find it helpful for you and your HR team in this case, then you can move on further and purchase the subscription plan. Okay, so now let's just open our workflow builder. How can you come here? You just have to log in inside Pabbly Connect, open your dashboard, and from there you can come on this workflow builder. This is the most important window because we have trigger and action in this. Let's not get into technical things and let's see how this automation can be created without programming or coding language. You have to just click on this add trigger button. Now for the trigger application, simply select it as Google Sheets. For the event, select it as new or updated spreadsheet row and click on this connect. You're going to receive the webhook URL, so copy this and open your spreadsheet. In this spreadsheet, make sure to mention all the details of your candidate. Now go on this extensions, add-ons, and then towards this get add-ons. Now just add an extension in this spreadsheet which is named Pabbly Connect Webhooks. So go on this search apps and search for Pabbly Connect Webhooks and install this extension over here. I have already installed this extension, so I am just going to move on forward. If you want to install this extension, you can directly install it from here. After you install this extension, make sure to refresh your spreadsheet. This is very important. Then go on this extensions and you're going to see the option of this Pabbly Connect Webhooks. So go on this and then towards this initial setup. Once you come on this initial setup, it is asking for the webhook URL and the trigger column. So simply paste the webhook URL which you copied from the workflow and enter the trigger column over here. So over here, as you can see, I've successfully pasted my webhook URL and entered the trigger column. So what is this trigger column? The trigger column will be your final data column on which if the data is added, the whole of that row will be sent towards your webhook URL. So I want to send these details towards my webhook URL. That's the reason I've kept my trigger column as H. Let's say I want to send only 3 details, then I can keep the trigger column as C. If I want to send 4 details, it will be D, and so on. So the trigger column will be according to your own spreadsheet. Now just click on the submit button and you're going to receive the response right over here to saying setup configured successfully. Now over here we have created the connection between Google Sheets and Pabbly Connect, but it is saying waiting for webhook response. So in order to capture this webhook response, you have to click on this send test. Once you click on this send test, it is saying test data sent successfully. So let's send this first row towards our workflow. So let me just open my workflow, and Pabbly has captured the response for the same. First, we're going to create the offer letter for this candidate. Then we're going to see further how we can create for rest all too. Okay, so just click on this add new action step now and search for Gemini. I'm just going to use Gemini in order to create this offer letter. You can use any another AI tool like OpenAI and much more according to your own choice. Pabbly supports most of them. For the event, select it as generate an edit image nano banana and click on this connect. Now if you have already created a connection between Gemini and Pabbly Connect, then click on this select existing connection and then save. But if you haven't, follow me, click on add a new connection, and then it is asking for the API key. So to get this API key, just open your Google AI Studio. Once you open your Google AI Studio, over here from the left hand of the side, you have to go on this get API key section, and then you have to click on this create API key button. Name your key, choose the project, and click on this create key button. Your key will be created. Paste the API key and click on this save. Then your Google Gemini account will be connected with Pabbly Connect. I've already created this amazing automation, or you can say connection right over here. My Gemini is already connected. So I'm just going to go on the select existing connection and then save. Now this window is going to open. So first of all, for the model, search for Nano Banana, or you can also use image 4, image 4 ultra, or image 4 fast 2. It totally depends upon you. I'm just going to use Nano Banana 2 over here. Now for the method, I'm just going to select it as generate content. For the prompt, I'm just going to enter the prompt from my previous workflow. So let me just copy this prompt from my previous workflow and paste it right over here. If you also want this prompt, what you have to do is you just have to comment prompt, and I'm just going to share you the prompt. I'll just let you know that this prompt is according to my own business. I've entered the details of my business and the details of my company, you can see over here. If you want this prompt, I'm just going to share you in the comment section below. What you can do is you can simply give this prompt to any AI tool like OpenAI, Gemini, and ask the AI tool to simply generate a prompt like this for your own business too. You just have to let this AI tool know your details, and it is going to generate you exactly the same prompt using your company details. Make sure to mention all the company details like the company name, industry over here, head office. You can also mention the HR manager name, the designation. You can mention the instructions according to your own choice. After you mention all of this, you can move on further and enter the candidate details in this prompt, because using the candidate details only, it is going to generate you the offer letter. So over here, the candidate details are not going to be entered like the rest of the prompt, because these details will change with every new response. The prompt is going to remain the same. So the candidate details will be mapped. So what is mapping? Mapping is a method by Pabbly which means inserting the data from the previous step. And when we insert the data from the previous step, automatically our data becomes dynamic and changes with every new response received. So one by one, I'm just going to map these details right over here. And in order to map these details, you have to put a slash and then search for the details which you wish to map like this. So one by one, I'm just going to map all the details over here which I have of the candidate, and then we're just going to move on further. Over here in the prompt, I've mentioned that keep the template of the offer letter same for every offer letter, just change the candidate details. If you have a specific template or a letterhead of your business, you can simply upload that file right over here, and then simply it is going to use the same. After this, you have to click on the save and send test request button. So let me just wait till it is going to generate me the offer letter, and we have received the response and the offer letter is generated successfully. So let me just copy this file URL and open it in a new tab, and as you can see that this is the offer letter which is generated and it looks perfectly fine. I can send it to all the candidates. Okay, so let me just move on further, and I'm just going to add it right over here in my spreadsheet first, because what is going to happen is AI is just going to generate these offer letters, but first someone has to check this and then send it towards our candidates, right? So first in this video, I'll show you how you have to create the offer letters. Then in another video, if you like the video and if you want another part of this video, just comment part 2. I'm just going to also create a video which is going to help you not only in creating but also in sending the offer letters with human in loop approval. Okay, so first, if you like this video, just hit the like button and comment part 2. Okay, so let me just go back, and I'm just going to add the offer letter right over here in my spreadsheet first. And in order to do this, I'm just going to click on this add new action step, select the application as Google Sheets. For the event, I'm just going to select it as update cell value and click on this connect. If you have already created a connection between Google Sheets and Pabbly Connect, click on this select existing connection and then save. But if you haven't, click on this add a new connection and then sign in with Google. Select the Gmail account with the help of which you want to build this connection. Pabbly is going to ask you for some permissions, so click on this allow. Give Pabbly all the permissions it is asking for, because your data is 100% safe with us, no need to worry. Now our Google Sheets is connected with Pabbly Connect. You just have to choose the spreadsheet right over here in which you want to add the offer letters, the sheet, and then the range. So what is range? Which is column name and row index. So the column name is I and the row index is 2. So I'm just going to enter I2. But right now it is I2, but with every new response it will change. It will be I3, I4, I5, I6, I7, and so on. So what I'm just going to do is I is same, only the row is changing. So I'm just going to keep I as static by entering it manually, and I'm going to map the row index. For the value, let's just put a slash and simply map this file URL which Gemini generated and click on the save and send test request button. Now we have successfully added the offer letter right over here, but I don't only want to generate a single offer letter, but the offer letter to all the candidates whose details I have in my spreadsheet. For that, you have to go on this extensions, Pabbly Connect Webhooks, and click on this sent all data. All of this data will be sent towards your workflow, and within seconds, like I showed in the starting of this video, the offer letter for all the candidates will be generated and added right over here one by one. Apart from that, if you want that whenever you add the new candidate details, the offer letter for the same should also be generated, then go in this extensions, Pabbly Connect webhooks, and make sure to switch on this button which is sent on event. As you can see, the offer letters are generated right over here and added. If you want the same template, you can simply mention same template right over here and you're going to get the same. Okay, so go and try this amazing automation yourself. Right now we're offering a free trial of Pabbly Connect, and you can create 100 offer letters for free approximately. And apart from that, if you like Pabbly Connect and if you want to purchase the subscription plan, RITYT is going to get you the heaviest, or you can say the highest amount of discount on the subscription plan of Pabbly Connect in comparison towards the another discount coupon codes. But this is only a limited period time offer, so first try Pabbly Connect if you find it helpful, and if you're really interested, don't forget to check this out. See you in the next video with many more automation tips, everyone. Thank you for watching. So not only this, but you can connect many more applications using Pabbly Connect. So now if you have any doubts related to pricing, you can follow this link. If you have any doubts or queries related to sales, you can email us at sales@pabbly.com. Both this link and this email address is attached in the description box below. You can check it out. I'll suggest you connect and integrate your favorite applications today, because right now we are offering a free trial of Pabbly Connect.